Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you and don't forget to subscribe. My name is Funi Oyelaki and today I just found a new love. Don't mind me, yeah, a new love. And the type that I love to shook my eyes in so many things, especially anything that I can earn money or have extra income from. And I have this passion for producing things from the comfort of my home. Though I've been a kind of looking, searching, shook my eyes, like I've said, into so many things. But this one is a newfound love for me, and that is a perfume making. So today I'll be going to Ojota chemical market. Do you know the place? Yeah, Ojota chemical market is a market or get all kinds of chemical for your chemical production, be it for soap, in fact, once I say chemical, you all know what chemical is all about. So today I'm just going there today to source for materials to make perfume, but on a low budget. I'm not for the purpose of those of you who wants to venture into such kind of business and you are thinking, oh, you need a lot of capital. No, this one is on a budget. When I mean on a budget, I'm just going with 5,000 naira. Yes, excluding my transport anyway. So I want to see what I can shop if it's good. Then when I come back, I'm going to show you everything with the band. But never mind, I might not show you around the market. I'm the shy type and I wouldn't want all eyes to be on me. And probably maybe if I'm there, they might not want to see camera. But if it's possible, I will show you. If it's not possible, then when I get back, I'm going to show you all the supplies I'm going to get. See you then. I'm back. Like I said, I didn't go there to vlog or to do anything. I just went to the market to make some eyes and to source some things which I want to use for perfume production. So this is what I got for it. Not necessarily. This one is also a perfume bottle, but as you know that I'm also into production of coconut oil, so I do use these 13 names for packaging my coconut oil, sometimes depending on the demand. So if you've not watched how I make coconut oil, I'll put the link in the description box so that you can check it out. That is for Eat Fresh coconut oil. If you really want to make it as a business for yourself, you go there, you search for the kind of bottle, your packaging that you want. You'll be able to get it there. But in the local shop, the chemical shop, you won't be able to get varieties. That is the advantage. And in terms of price, it's better you shop in your local shop because it's the same thing. By the time you will have transport going to Ojota, I'm telling you, except if you live around there, it will be more expensive. But for this kind of things, I would love to be going there for purpose of getting the bottle, not because of the ingredients that I will use. I love this. So this is what I got. And this one, because I already have someone that I want to make big one for, yes. So that is why I got this one. See? Special one. This is 15 years. Is that all I got? No, I got this funnel as well that I'll be able to put. I got this funnel. I got this one as well. Yeah, I got this one because there's a project we'll be having in the church, which I'm going to train them on how to make this perfume. So I got this one. I got this 12 for 1,000 naira. Yes. But if you are making on your own as a beginner, I will not advise that you go on this, because perfume making requires you to get hold of your blending, that is combining your oils together, that is the fragrances together, and test it out before you can actually go into this. I've already tested 2-3 fragrances, and that is why I'm able to go to the market and get this one. I want to start on this note to sell. Now, for the basic ingredients, I milk for 500 naira. This is also 15 ml. This is also for 15 ml. I got 3 fragrances because I want to test before I can make large quantity. I'm going to test it out. So what will be needed to make perfume. If you are making it, you want to make it as simple as possible, because the simpler the better as a beginner. So let's assume you are just having 2 fragrances of 600 naira. Yeah, 600 naira. Then you combine this and this one. So with 1,000 naira, you'll be able to at least start perfume production. That is to mix and put it in a plastic bag. Those shops you can get a piece of this, a piece of this. It's not. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video, where I will show you how to combine all these ingredients together to make perfume of your own. Until then, catch you. Thank you.